Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So because this device is relatively old, it still has the ability to use the Google services. So that's why we can enable the Google backup from the level of the system, kind of. So to do that, we have to enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and restore and tap on backup account in this Google backup section. Let's tap on it. And here make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Let me do it quickly and tap on this mark icon or simply next. Right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, because here we have another section with more backup information. So you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this backup section. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.